Hello children, it's me again. Let's learn to read 3-letter CVC words of app family. Please check on my previous videos for better understanding. Let's begin. A, p, app. K, app, cap. T, app, tap. Let's try reading some more words of app family. K, app, cap. G, app, gap. M, app, map. N, app, nap. R, app, wrap. S, app, sap. T, app, tap. Let's repeat. Cap, gap, lap, map, nap, wrap, sap, tap. Your turn. Good job, kids. Great reading. Bye-bye, kids. See you later. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the more video updates. Link to all my phonics video is given in the description box. Keep watching.